Atta, Isa, Aidar.
I listen to music every day.
Listen to music every day. Good. Next, please. One more example, please. Anyone? Is there anyone? Isa again.
I brush my teeth every day.
Good job. Okay. So that's how we use present simple. Okay. Now look. When we use he, she, it, it's different. We use s. S. We use es. Es. We change have become has. Okay. This only happens if the subject is he, she, it. He is the boy. She is the girl. Okay. It is not people. Okay. For example, Asulbek. Please, Asulbek.
He is studies at school every day.
Okay. Very good, Asulbek. But don't use is. Okay. He studies at school every day. Okay. Don't use
Studies.
he is studies. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, good, Asulbek. Next, Isa. Okay, I move. Aidana. Aidana, can you speak, Aidana? Because I cannot see your microphone. Asulbek again.
She goes to the cinema every month.
Very good, Asulbek. Good job. Isa. Okay. Aidana, maybe Aidana can chat and Mr. Aga can read for Aidana, okay? All right. Now, my student. This is present simple, but for positive. Positive. Okay? But for positive. Now, we move to the next one. Okay? The next one is, if we have positive, we have negative. Okay? For the negative of present simple, we don't use s. Look, work, like, do, have. The difference is in here. If the subject is I, you, we, they, we use don't. If the subject is he, she, it, we use doesn't. Understand? For example, I don't work. He doesn't work. I read newspaper. I don't read newspaper. She listens to radio. She doesn't listen to radio. Okay, this is the negative. We use don't and doesn't. Okay, now Mr. Aga give example. I don't eat lunch. Who can give example? Islam. Oh no, Asulbek?
I don't go to the cinema every day.
I don't go to cinema every day. Good job. Next, Erkin.
Don't feel no
No.
I don't. I don't.
I don't feel nervous
Nervous
and
and
uncomfortable.
oh,
Just do
best.
yourself.
Or just do yourself. Okay, that's good, Erkin. I don't feel nervous. Good. Next, Ilyas.
I don't listen. I don't listen to music every day.
Okay, good. Aidana, maybe check Mr. Aga. Aidana, Mr. Aga will read. Sulbek again.
You don't listen to the music every hour.
Every hour. Good. You don't listen to music every hour. Good job, everyone. Okay. Now, I hope you understand. And then let's go to some activity. Okay. Now, look. Everyone, please go to chat, please. Can you go to a chat? Go to a chat. And then write the answer here. Write your answer in the chat. Like Mr. Aga. Okay, go to the chat, please. And then look. Look like this. They walk to school or they walks to school? What's the answer? They walk to school or they walks to school? Sulbek and Erkin, write the answer on the chat box. Like Atai. Write on the chat box. Sulbek and Erkin. Okay? Like this. They walk to school every day. Good job, Asulbek. Good job, Atai. They walk to school every day. Aidana, maybe go to chat, Aidana. Okay. Good, because when we use they, we don't use s. Okay. Let's go next. Next question. Mr. Aga is a teacher. He teach or teaches? Come on, write the answer on the chat box. Teaches. Okay. The other, Erkin? Go to chat, Erkin. Go to the chat, Erkin. Go to the chat, Erkin, and Asulbek. Mr. Aga is a teacher. He teaches every day. Good. Yes. Okay. Because when we use he, we use s or es. Okay. Good job. Next. Get ready. That bag is expensive. I don't or I doesn't. Isa, go to chat Isa. Right in the chat box, Isa. Don't. Very good, Sulaiman. Yes. Good job. Because when we use I, we use don't. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oh, sorry, Akmaral. We use don't, Akmaral. Not I doesn't have. Okay. We use doesn't when we use he, she, it. Okay. Good. Next. My mother and my sister. Two people. They. My mother and my sister, 2 people. They watch or watches. Watches. Come on. Watch. Write on a chat, please. Okay, look. My mother and my sister are 2 people. Right? 2 people. You can make it the same as they. Okay. So when we use they, we don't use as. Okay. So the answer is watch, not watches. Okay. Not watches. Next. I hate tomato. I don't like it or I doesn't like it. What's the answer? You can look. Yes, the answer is I don't like it. Very good. Good job, everyone. I don't like it. Good. Next, he is vegetarian. He don't eat meat or he doesn't eat meat. Go to the chat box, please. Islam, go to the chat box, Islam. Write the answer there. He. Look. Good job. The answer is he doesn't eat meat. Okay. He doesn't eat meat. Good. Again. We always come or always comes. What's the answer? Come on. Good job. The answer is come. No S because we, right? Because we. Because we. Good. No S, okay? Two answer. I don't or I doesn't. Write on the chat box, please. I don't or I doesn't. Very good. I don't. This is easy. Now, next one. But the children really like or really likes. Children are many people, many kids. We use children. Many kids. Many people. We use they. Same like they. Children is the same as they. Isa, write on the chat box, Isa. The answer is the children really like. No S because many. Okay. Children are many kids. Okay. Same like they. Okay. Next. Flat always cook or cooks. Flat. Boy. He. Cook or cooks. He. Good. Flat always cooks. Good job. Now. She. Love or love? She loves or she love? Yes, good job. She loves because she. Now next. She loves a black car, but she don't or doesn't. She don't or she doesn't. Good job. She doesn't, okay? Because she. So the answer is she loves a black car, but she doesn't like a red car. Good job. I really like or I really go to chat box. Answer is like good job. I really like because yes. Okay. Market open or market opens? Market open or market opens? Market is it. It. Misalnya saya, market is SMS it. Yes, market opens. Okay. Market is it. Now market close or market closes? Market close or market closes? Look, market is it. Close or closes? Yes. Market closes. Market opens at 9 a.m. and market closes at 11 p.m. Okay. Round number 2. Like this. Always have I dinner. You make into order. I always have dinner. Okay. Like this. Okay. For this, I'll always have dinner at 7 p.m. Very good. Okay. I always have dinner at 7 p.m. Okay. You can look. I come here. Always come here. Have here. Dinner here. At 7 here. Okay. Understand? All right. Okay. Now let's go. Next question. Okay. Right. Okay. Write on chat box. Write on chat box. This drink I don't coffee. Please write on the chat box. Okay, Atai, right? All right. Okay, Sulaiman, Isa, Elkin, Akenova, Karina. Okay, good job. Good job. The answer is I don't drink coffee. Good. Next. Comic she reads every night. Please write on the group chat. Oke, Atai, Aidar. SMK. No, no, not like that SMK. This SMK. Try to make into correct order. Nazira, good. Akenova, Erkin. No Erkin. No Isa. Karina, Sulaiman, good. No SMK. Asulbek, yes. Okay, good. The answer is she reads comic every night. Good job. Yes, Aina. Great. Try again. This one. This is longer. What's the answer for this one? Okay, Islam. Come on, Erkin. Long, Erkin. Okay, Aidar. Okay, Erkin. She what? Okay, Sulaiman. Asulik, good. Karina, yes. Aina, yes. Agnova, good. Dinara, good. Okay, good job, everyone. The answer is she watches Korean movie in bedroom. Good. Next, please. Next. What's that? Okay, Islam. Please write the answer in the chat. Okay, Atai. Okay, Aidar. Erkin, no. No, Erkin. Okay, Erkin, good. Aknova. Good. Sulaiman, good. Hello, Asid. Dinara, good. Amir, good. Ayana, good job. Aina, good job. Isa, good job. Karina, good job. Good job, everyone. Yes, the answer is she doesn't take bath every evening. Okay, next. This one. What's the answer for this one? Okay, Aidar. Yes, Aknova, good job. Karina, good job. Sorry, Islam. What is it? Nazira, good. Okay, good. Ayana, good job. Good, Isa. Yes. The answer is they talk with me every day. Okay. Yeah, this one. Write on the chat box. Come on. They don't what? Either. Good. Yes, Herkil. Agnova, good. Yes, Amir. Okay, Nazira. Come on, Aina. Ayana. Dinara, good. Ayana, good. Sulaiman, good. Okay, good job. The answer is they don't cheat in the exam. Do you know? Cheat is like this. Write exam and then your friends see. This is not good. Okay, this is not good. So don't cheat in the exam. Okay, everyone. Now who can give Mr. Aga 3 sentences positive, 3 sentences negative? For example, I like apple. I eat every day. I play football. 3 positive. 3 negative. I don't sleep in the morning. I don't eat lunch. I don't go to market. Who can say 3 positive and 3 negative? Raise your hand. 3 positive and then 3 negative. Say. Don't write in chat. But say. Say. Raise your hand, please. Who can say 3 positive and 3 negative? If you can, raise your hand. Who can? Raise your hand from Zoom chat, from the Zoom. Three positive and three negative. Who can say? Who can say? For example, three positive. I like apple. Number two, I play football. Number three, I eat banana. That's three positive. Who can say? Three positive. Three negative, like this. I don't eat lunch. I don't sleep in the morning. I don't go to market. Please, who can say? Asulbek. Okay, Asulbek.
I don't play football.
Okay.
I don't go to the school on the at the night. I don't eat the apple.
Good. Three positive, Asulbek. Okay. Now we move to Isa.
I like to listen music in the morning. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to read books at the evening.
Okay. Negative?
Don't is positive.
Do you have three negative?
I don't think negative.
You don't think negative. Okay. Thank you, Isa. Next, please. Aida. Please, Aida.
You work in house. We like to watch movie together. You don't work in house. We don't like study. They don't do their homework.
Good job, Aida. Good job. Next. Ergin. Let's go, Ergin.
I like football.
Yes.
One. I don't do play.
I don't play.
I don't to play.
Oh, I don't play. Number three.
She does do going.
They. Say again, Erkin. Number three.
She doesn't does not play.
Oh, she doesn't play. She doesn't play.
She doesn't play.
Good job, Erkin. Asulbek.
I like play football. You like eat banana. We like go to the cinema.
Okay, good.
I don't like play tennis. You don't eat an onion. We don't go. We don't read any newspapers.
Okay, good job, Asulbek. Islam. Let's go, Islam.
I don't play apple football. That apple I don't play. Apple.
I don't play apple. Okay. Okay, I don't play football. I don't play apple. Okay, I don't eat apple maybe. Next. Isa. Miss Isa.
Negative. I don't go to school every day. I don't eat in the bus. I don't drink when I walk.
I don't drink when I walk. Okay, good. Okay, my student. So that is present simple, positive and negative. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now we have studied present simple. Do you feel happy? Do you feel happy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Aga, where do you live? I live in Karakol. I live in Karakol. Who lives in Karakol? Okay, Asulbek. Alright. So everyone, do you have any question to Mr. Aga? Do you have any question to Mr. Aga? Yes, please. Turar. What is the question, Turar?
I like to play computer game.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Aina, do you have question?
I don't
No?
like apple. I don't like. I don't. He study at school. I like music.
Okay, thank you, Aina. Asulbek, what is it, Asulbek?
I don't have any question.
Oh, you don't have any question. Okay, okay. So I will lower your hand. Okay. So if you don't have any question, thank you for
Yes,
coming.
I don't have.
And goodbye. Goodbye, my student.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Taraga, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Ayana. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.